morning, guys. I'm at the train station. There's the train going right there. Oh, busy morning. It is so freaking cold outside right now. OMG, it is so freaking cold right now. It's insane. I didn't even know the Netherlands can go below this temperature, but yeah. As you guys can see, I'm wearing like a turtleneck and everything to keep myself warm. I look really awful on camera today, sorry for that. But yeah, it's currently almost 10 o'clock and I'm heading to school to finish the final paper and deliver it. We gotta print it out and I don't have a printer at home, so that means that I gotta go to uni and print it out. So, and also all the metros are not going today, so I gotta go to a different train station than I usually do. So I'm currently just sitting at the bench right here waiting for the train. It's coming at oh, my phone is Hello guys, so now it's almost time for my exam and I'm pretty nervous actually. I have an exam at 5 and it's currently 4:30. So this is my view right now, as you guys can see here. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm currently waiting for my friends at the toilet and this is the elevators. I'm super nervous, oh my god. We have an exam about the Rio summits and about sustainability and about stakeholders, and yeah. Well, I hope it's gonna go well, because I have only one exam today and then I have one on Friday and then I'm finished for this midterm, and then I have new exams like 5 or 6 in January. So this is my exam week basically, and I haven't been vlogging that much because, and I'm sorry for that, but I really had to study for the exams, so I really wanted to just stop by and say hello before my exam. My heart is racing. My heart is racing so much right now. I get quite nervous for the exams actually, so I try to calm down with like a cup of tea or like a cup of soup, but I still get like a little bit of nerve-wracking feelings and stuff. So now we're at my favorite restaurant again, pho, and we're gonna eat some delicious dish. I'm of course gonna eat pho here with meatballs, and I'm with my friend from uni. This is my favorite baguette called banh mi. Currently 8:30 and yeah, damn, my face looks really chubby, but yeah, now this is the restaurant. It's really nice and I'm gonna go home soon now and just chill at home. A new package arrived today, so I'm really excited about that. Guys, so right now we're gonna do a little bit of a unboxing. I tried a new makeup technique today, but we got a box right here from Douglas. Oh, so fail. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this box. I'm so excited. I love new packages, so let's get started. This is not sponsored or anything, it's just me buying some more makeup because it was sale and everything. I waited to open it up. I got it yesterday, but I waited so I could unbox it for you guys. So, oops, okay. So let's see. This is what's in it. Okay, so here we got the Chanel Soleil de Chanel. It's a bronzer from Chanel. Ah! I'm so excited. My first Chanel product. Super excited about that. And we got a MAC mini lipstick in Velvet Teddy. It looks like this, a mini one. It's actually like not that small, so that's cool. And then my first ever Becca highlighter in the color Opal, and it's a mini version because I was like, okay, I'm not gonna spend like 30 euros to get the full size, and I never can get through a full highlighter. So this is what it looks like. Super excited. So that was it for the Douglas unboxing. Basically, I only got 3 items: a Chanel bronzer, a Becca highlighter, and a MAC lipstick. So yeah, now I'm heading to uni. And yeah, today we only have a thesis information because my class is going on exchange. Well, most people are going on exchange already in January, and then they won't be back, and then already by fall next year we have to write our thesis. So now I'm gonna go to the thesis information, and I'm actually quite excited for that because, well, I think it's interesting and it's gonna be completely different from what we're doing right now. So okay, so I thought about doing a little bit of a first impression of the Becca highlighter. I can't see anything. Let's switch. And yeah, I really need to brush my hair before I go, but I just showered, so if it looks a bit weird, it's because of that. But I'm trying to get out the item. Oh my god, it's so small. Look. It's so small. But yeah, this is a little bit of a first impression of the product. Let's see if I can put my camera right here. Don't go into the kitchen. I'm right here. Oh my god, it even has a small mirror. That's so cute. Okay, sorry, but I can't show you guys properly. But I'm just gonna put this on really quickly just to see how it is. And then I'm gonna go to uni. I think I'm a bit late already. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god. Oh, I love blinding highlighters, and this is so blinding. Yeah. Oh, I will play with this more in an actual video, but now it's just a vlog. So I will give a little bit more of a first impression. Holy shit, this shit is blinding AF in real life, guys. I'm thinking if I should wear a hairband today or not. And yeah, I'm heading out. I forgot to show the outfit of the day. So this Hilfiger shirt and these blue pants with a little bit of ripped jeans here. And this is the makeup today. Really simple. I try to be a little bit more glam. So what do you guys think? Did I do half a good job, at least a little bit? I don't know. I think I look sort of cute. It looks so much better in real life, in my opinion, but yeah. So this is what I'm having for dinner: spaghetti and like bolognese sauce and some ham, a little bit of meat and some veggies. So yay! So thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!